Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to count unique items in Salesforce reports. This is incredibly useful when you need to see how many distinct accounts, contacts, or any other records exist in your data without duplicates inflating your numbers. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to click the App Launcher, which is that waffle icon you'll find in the top left corner of your Salesforce screen. This icon opens up your main navigation menu, giving you access to all the tools and features Salesforce offers. Once you've clicked it, a search box will appear where you can quickly find what you're looking for. In that search box, type Reports and select the Reports tab from the results. This will take you directly to the Reports section where you can view existing reports or create new ones tailored to your specific needs. Next, click on New Report. This button is your starting point for building any custom report in Salesforce, and it opens up the Report Builder interface where you'll configure everything. Now you'll need to choose a report type. For this example, let's say you want to work with accounts, so select Accounts from the available report types. Once you've made your selection, click Start Report. This loads the report builder with your chosen data type, ready for customization. At this point, you'll see the Filters panel on the left side of your screen. Click on it to expand your filtering options. Here, you'll want to adjust a couple of settings to ensure you're viewing all the data you need. First, set Show Me to All Accounts and click Apply. This ensures you're not limiting your view to just a subset of records. Then locate Created Date and set it to All Time and click Apply again. This step is important because it removes any time restrictions, giving you a complete view of all your account records. Now take a look at the preview pane where your report data is displayed. Locate the target column you want to count unique values for. In this case, let's use Account Name as our example. This column contains all the account names in your report. Click the drop-down arrow next to the column header for account name. A menu will appear with several options for how you want to display or calculate this data. From this menu, select Show Unique Count. This is the key step that tells Salesforce to count only the distinct, unique values in that column, eliminating any duplicates from your count. Finally, click Save and Run at the top of the screen. You'll be prompted to name your report and choose a folder where it will be stored. Pick a descriptive name that helps you identify this report later. Select an appropriate folder, and confirm. Your report will now run and display the unique count you've configured. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Salesforce report that counts unique items, giving you accurate, unduplicated data insights. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.